You're going to take some math courses. You're going to take a course on data structures. You're going to build a compiler in your third year, and you're going to learn Java. I basically just described every computer science degree out there, right? So I find that challenging from both a student perspective, where I don't want to look like everybody else, and then two, from a hiring manager perspective, it's hard to choose somebody because it's basically like this. You're talking to the same person over and over again. Like everybody wants to tell you about how they wrote a compiler in their third year, like because everybody did that as a capstone project and they're excited about it, right? So that's the challenge with computer science. So that's why I personally would never choose that, and I would go with the AI, right? But again, that's you. That's on you and what your heart is telling you. Maybe you really like computer science. You should go for it, right? But for me, that's just my view on it. Take it for what you will, okay?